If you're here, you're probably thinking about Alzheimer's for yourself or someone you love. Before we get into it, I have a few questions for you. Have you noticed your morning coffee doesn't smell the way it used to? Have you lost interest in things you used to love? Do you reach for a word mid-sentence and it just won't come? Has someone close to you noticed you walk a little differently? And is your sleep restless, strange, almost violent? If the answer to any of those is yes, this video will be very helpful. Those 5 things are not random. They are not just aging. They are the earliest known signals of Alzheimer's, a biological storm that begins building in the brain quietly, years before any memory test would catch it. A Nobel Prize-winning discovery revealed that your brain has its own built-in cleaning system. One spice performed as well as a leading Alzheimer's drug in a head-to-head clinical trial. And a 2026 study confirmed, for the first time in humans, that your brain physically washes Alzheimer's proteins out overnight while you sleep. Look, no plant gives you a comprehensive solution on its own. But the research is clear. These are a deeply meaningful piece of your brain's protection picture. Sign 1. Your sense of smell. You wake up, pour your coffee, and something is off. Not wrong exactly. Just flatter than it used to be. Food tastes a little less. You don't catch the smell of rain the way you once did. Most people blame their sinuses, but a 12-year population study found that smell decline independently predicted dementia progression over time. The reason? Alzheimer's proteins accumulate in the brain smell processing center years before they show up anywhere else. Your nose notices first. Let's get into the plants that, as science says, deal with this problem. Rosemary. Most people know rosemary as something that goes on chicken. But its active compound, called 1,8-cineol, crosses the blood-brain barrier and inhibits the same enzyme targeted by leading Alzheimer's drugs. A human pharmacological study found that people who were simply exposed to rosemary aroma had measurable levels of this compound in their blood, and their cognitive test scores improved alongside it. Keep fresh rosemary in your kitchen. Cook with it daily. Lion's mane mushroom. This mushroom stimulates something called nerve growth factor, the protein your brain uses to grow, maintain, and repair nerve cells, including those in the olfactory system. A 49-week double-blind trial in mild Alzheimer's patients showed significant improvements in cognitive abilities and daily living skills. One thing to know, the compounds are found in the mycelium, the root-like part, not the fruiting body that most products use. Check the label before you buy. Green tea, EGCG. The dominant polyphenol in green tea activates the brain's internal protein clearing system, the same Nobel Prize-winning autophagy mechanism, which directly protects olfactory neurons from the toxic protein buildup that begins in the smell pathway first. UCLA structural biologists confirmed at the atomic level that EGCG binds to Alzheimer's proteins and initiates their breakdown. 2 to 3 cups daily is a meaningful dose. Sign 2. You've lost your spark. Not depression, not sadness, just a quiet disappearance of interest. Your usual favorite activities. The garden you used to tend every morning. The grandchildren you used to call every Sunday. The football scores you always checked. Gone. Not because something happened, but because the pilot light went out. This is called apathy, and it is one of the earliest neuropsychiatric symptoms of Alzheimer's. Post-mortem studies of Alzheimer's brains consistently find depleted dopamine receptors. The motivational circuitry goes quiet before the memory does. The most helpful plants are saffron. In a meta-analysis of 4 randomized controlled trials, 30 milligrams of saffron daily improved cognitive function with no significant difference in efficacy compared to donepezil, the most widely prescribed Alzheimer's medication. Its active compounds directly inhibit the reuptake of both dopamine and serotonin. A small pinch dissolved in warm water or added to rice and soups gets you there. Ashwagandha. Its active compounds, with analydes, increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports the survival of the exact dopaminergic neurons lost in motivational decline. A 2023 study confirmed it preserved these neurons in a Parkinson's model. Clinical trials in adults with mild cognitive impairment showed consistent improvements in memory and processing speed. Look for root extracts standardized to with analydes, resveratrol. Found in grapes and berries, resveratrol activates the sirtuin pathway, a cellular longevity mechanism, and simultaneously triggers autophagy to clear alpha-synuclein, the protein that accumulates when dopaminergic neurons begin to fail. The evidence here is largely preclinical, so don't treat it as a standalone solution. But as part of a broader dietary pattern, a handful of dark berries daily is one of the lowest effort additions you can make. Sign 3. The words won't come. You're mid-sentence. The word is right there. You can almost see it, and then it's gone. So you talk around it. You say the thing you use to cut bread, and everyone nods, and you move on. Occasionally, that's just being human. But when it starts happening consistently, when your sentences change, and the people around you begin to notice before you do, that's the language network of the brain beginning to slow. This reflects degeneration of connections between the hippocampus and the prefrontal cortex, which is the retrieval pathway, not just memory storage. You should definitely add some of the upcoming plants in your diet. Bacopa monieri. A meta-analysis of 9 randomized controlled trials in 518 people confirmed improvements in processing speed, which is directly tied to how fast your brain retrieves words. A triple-blind trial in mild cognitive impairment patients found specific improvements in verbal fluency after 8 weeks. The caveat: bacopa takes time. Effects build over 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use. If you start it, then commit to it, or don't start. Green tea EGCG. UCLA researchers used cryo-electromicroscopy to capture, at the atomic level, exactly how EGCG binds to tau tangles taken from human Alzheimer's brain tissue and breaks them apart. Tau tangles are what strangle the language networks of the temporal lobe. This is not a vague antioxidant claim. This is atomic-level structural evidence of a mechanism. Take 2 to 3 cups daily. Rosemary. The same ACHE inhibition that protects the smell pathway also directly supports the cholinergic system, which is the network most responsible for language retrieval and verbal fluency. Fresh rosemary in cooking daily costs you nothing. Sign 4. Your walk has changed. You're a little slower crossing the road, a little more cautious on stairs. Your partner noticed before you did. On its own, that could be arthritis, a bad back, a dozen things. But research from Newcastle University found that gait characteristics, pace, variability, postural control, predicted cognitive decline in early neurodegeneration, outperforming neuropsychological tests. Motor coordination decline reflects the same dopaminergic circuits failing in the basal ganglia that drive the other symptoms on this list. Plants most helpful are curcumin. The bioactive compound in turmeric suppresses neuroinflammation, activates an antioxidant pathway that protects dopaminergic neurons from oxidative damage, and stimulates brain-derived neurotrophic factor to support motor circuit survival. The essential caveat: standard curcumin is poorly absorbed. Roughly 1% reaches the bloodstream. Combine it with black pepper, which increases absorption up to 20-fold, or use a liposomal formulation. Without that step, you're largely wasting it. Ginkgo biloba. The largest randomized controlled trial ever conducted on any natural compound for dementia, over 3,000 participants, published in JAMA, found no significant reduction in overall dementia incidence. That needs to be said plainly. However, a 2025 trial in patients already showing early cognitive changes found that standardized ginkgo extract improved both cognitive function and neuropsychiatric symptoms alongside standard treatment. Its mechanism, dilating cerebral blood vessels and increasing blood flow to the basal ganglia and cerebellum, is directly relevant to motor coordination. Standardized EGB 761 extract is the form used in trials. Quercetin. Found in capers, onions, and apples. Quercetin activates the same Nobel Prize-linked autophagy pathway through AMPK and mTOR signaling, and has shown specific evidence in motor neuron models, reducing protein aggregation in the exact circuits responsible for movement coordination. Evidence is largely preclinical, but the mechanism is well mapped, and the dietary sources are effortless to add. Raw onions and apples daily puts you in range. Sign 5. Your sleep is broken. This is where the science becomes extraordinary. A 2026 study published in Nature Communications in Living Humans confirmed that the brain has a physical cleaning system that only fully activates during sleep. It clears amyloid beta and tau proteins from the brain into the bloodstream overnight. When sleep was disrupted, clearance stopped. Every night of broken or insufficient sleep is a night that system didn't run. And REM sleep disruption specifically is now recognized as one of the strongest early markers of Lewy body dementia, sometimes appearing a full decade before any cognitive symptom shows up. You should include the following in your diet. Tart cherry. Montmorency tart cherries are the most concentrated dietary source of natural melatonin found in any food, alongside powerful anthocyanins. A meta-analysis published in Advances in Nutrition found that tart cherry consumption improved sleep duration, efficiency, and melatonin levels across controlled trials. A 12-week trial in older adults with mild dementia showed improvements in both memory and verbal fluency alongside sleep quality. Effects are most consistent in adults who already have disrupted sleep. Juice form appears more effective than powder or capsules. Spermidine, from wheat germ. This is the compound most directly connected to the Nobel Prize-winning autophagy discovery. When autophagy fails, toxic proteins accumulate. Spermidine reactivates it. A randomized controlled trial published in JAMA Network Open tested 12 months of spermidine supplementation in older adults with early cognitive decline and found improved memory performance alongside biomarker changes consistent with reduced neurodegeneration. Spermidine levels in brain tissue decline substantially with age. Wheat germ, aged cheese, mushrooms, and fermented foods are your highest dietary sources. Ashwagandha. Beyond its role in apathy and motor protection, ashwagandha has consistent clinical evidence for improving sleep quality and reducing the stress-driven cortisol elevation that disrupts circadian rhythm and REM architecture. Chronic cortisol dysregulation is one of the underreported drivers of glymphatic impairment. The same nighttime cleaning system the 2026 Nature Communications study confirmed. Take it in the evening, with the root extract form standardized to withanolides. If you're going to start somewhere, start with sleep. Not because it's the easiest, but because the 2026 Nature Communications study confirmed that without quality sleep, none of the other interventions can work optimally. The brain cleans itself at night. Your job is to let it. From there, build. Rosemary in your cooking. 2 or 3 cups of green tea daily. Curcumin with black pepper. Tart cherry juice in the evening. Bacopa if you can commit to 3 months. These aren't dramatic gestures. They're consistent, small decisions that the research showed accumulate into meaningful protection over time. All the study links, every trial, every review cited today are in the description. Take care of yourself from the inside out.